Hi Ben, just gonna do a math problem with you. Just have my phone, so it might not be the best quality, and you might hear some radio in the action with the seating going on. Anyways, so the principle that you have to understand for the first question you asked is if I have the logarithm of something and the logarithm of something else, then that means that those two things must also be equal as long as the logarithms have the same base. Okay, so we're going to use that principle to solve this problem. Okay, so I need to have a single logarithm on both sides so that I can equate them to each other. So that's what I'm going to do first here. Sorry, this is probably making you a little dizzy because I can't hold the camera. I'm not good at holding my phone. Okay, so I use the power rule here. On this side, I'm going to use the sum rule, which means it's like the product. So log 4 times 6 minus x. Now using this principle here, because I have the logarithm of both sides, I can equate these two pieces to each other. So that means 3 minus x squared is equal to 4, 6 minus x. Now my strategy is I'm going to FOIL this side, I'm going to expand that side, I'm going to get one side to be 0, and then I'm going to use some strategies I have such as factoring. I also know I can solve quadratics. I know this is going to be a quadratic right there. I could use factoring, I could use quad formula, I could use graphing. And even if I was really impressive, I could use completing the square. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. I am going to have 9 minus 6x plus x squared on this side, if I FOILed correctly. 3 squared, 2 times, yep. And then on this side, I'm going to have 24 minus 4x. Combining, I'm going to keep x squared first. I'm going to go in descending order. I have minus 6x. I'm going to add another 4x. I'm going to have minus 2x. I have 9. I'm going to subtract 24. So that is going to be 15. So I need to find two things if I'm going to factor that multiply to be negative 2 and add to be negative 15. Well, I think that's going to be some form of 5 and 3. I will let you go through and do the details about solving this. But I think the piece that you're missing is this principle, that the logarithm of something